top grain leather, dual power electric recline, independent power headrest, 150-degree zero gravity, Type-C charging at every seat. The Comfiroom Classic Series brings full cinema chair features to your home at a mid-range furniture price. Here is the honest breakdown. What it can handle. Recline comfort and range earns 8.6, 150-degree zero gravity, positioning with independent power headrest adjustment and position memory button, delivering genuine cinema-grade body support confirmed across Amazon reviewer testing from multiple verified purchasers. Load and frame durability scores 8.1, 350-pound load capacity on an alloy steel frame, with a self-weight of 133 pounds per 2 armrest unit is a solid structural specification for daily home theater use. Long-term motor reliability scores 5.3. Comfiroom is a newer brand and independent data beyond 2 years of daily motor use is limited, making this an honest unknown for buyers planning decade-long ownership. Leather longevity scores 6.1, as top gray Nappa leather is premium at this price, but will show surface where faster than full grain or Italian leather rivals at higher price points. Daily performance. Per seat feature set earns 8.8. Swivel tray table. LED lit cup holders visible in total darkness. Type-C and USB-A charging ports. Position memory, home button, and independent headrest control on every individual seat with no shared controls is the most complete per seat feature package in this price range. Zero gravity comfort scores 8.4. Multiple Amazon reviewers with 5-star ratings specifically called out the 150-degree recline and memory foam combination as genuinely transformative for long movie and gaming sessions. Assembly experience scores 6.8. One-person, two-step installation is straightforward, but wiring connection labeling has drawn occasional complaints about unclear color coding in the instruction documentation. Scalability scores 8.2, as the free combination system configuring from 1 seat to 5 or more rows without proprietary connectors covers any room size. User experience. Value versus commercial cinema seating earns 9.1. Independent power headrest, zero gravity recline, tray table, LED cup holders, and USB charging at every seat replicates commercial luxury cinema chair features at a fraction of what brands like Seatcraft or Palliser charge for comparable hardware. Color and style options score 7.8, black, blue, brown, red, and orange colorways covering both classic and statement home theater aesthetics is broader than most competitors in this category. Brand reliability track record scores 5.1. Comfiroom launched recently, and while Amazon ratings are positive, independent editorial reviews and multi-year ownership data from dedicated furniture review outlets are not yet established. Instruction clarity scores 6.2, as wiring assembly complaints are consistent enough across reviews to flag as a setup friction point for buyers doing solo installation. Who it's for. Home theater room builders earn 9.1. Anyone furnishing a dedicated media room who wants per-seat power headrest, zero gravity recline, tray tables, and USB charging at every position without a flagship furniture budget will find this the most feature-complete option at this price tier. Gaming room enthusiasts score 8.6, as the combination of powered recline, memory position, and Type-C charging at every seat makes this a natural gaming sofa upgrade for long play sessions. Budget-conscious cinema lovers score 8.3. The feature per dollar ratio versus Seatcraft, Lane, or Palliser at comparable specs is genuinely compelling. Buyers prioritizing 10-plus year durability score 5.1. Motor and leather longevity beyond 2 years remains unverified for this newer brand. Is it worth it? Feature per dollar value earns 9.1. Dual power electric recline, independent power headrest, tray table, LED cup holders, and per seat USB charging in top grain leather at this price has no verified equivalent from established brands. Comfort and recline value scores 8.4. Leather and motor longevity scores 5.3. Brand track record scores 5.1. The CineTech overall score for the Comfiroom Classic Series is 7.7 out of 10, 3.9 stars. The most cinema features per dollar in home theater seating right now. Go in knowing the brand is newer and long-term durability data is still building.